Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to relieve stress. There are 8 ways, okay? Number 1, walking. Why? Because walking is an activity that you have low stress and lots of oxygen, okay? Which is really good compared to high intensity, no oxygen type exercise. And also, stress depletes space, so when you walk, you get more space. So I'm talking about like if you're stuck in your head all the time and worrying and thinking, so you want to get out there where you have a lot of space so you can kind of get the stress out of your head. Number 2, we want to increase vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is essential in reducing that internal stress, that buildup of stress that keeps you from sleeping, keeps you from feeling calm, and I always recommend nutritional yeast. Take 1 teaspoon every single day. Okay, number 3, nutrition. The best nutrition that I recommend for stress is it using adaptogens, herbal adaptogens like ashwagandha, holy basil. There's a whole bunch of them that you can use. But adaptogens help you increase your tolerance to stress. They increase your ability to adapt to stress. Okay. Number 4, apple cider vinegar. Why? Because apple cider vinegar has a real good acid that helps you absorb minerals. Okay, that's the main thing. And we're talking about number 5, the minerals that are calming: calcium, magnesium, potassium. Those are the key minerals that calm your body. They're physiological tranquilizers. They're very, very important in the leafy greens and other things. If your stomach doesn't have enough acid, you're not going to absorb these, and it's going to make you feel a bit jittery, and your muscles are going to be tense. So this is really important in relaxing the muscles and other things as well. Okay, so we have number 6, acupressure. Can really help you if you know how. There's 3 different parts of your body that you can tap into to extract stress. One is the upper part of the neck, okay? And if you do this exercise, it'll really pull a lot of stress, and you can do it right before bed. The next one's going to be on the adrenal area, which is in your abdomen. You can work on that one. And the last one is in your mid-back, the location of the flight or fight mechanism. It's called the sympathetic nervous system. If you work on all 3 of those, like I do every night before I go to bed, you can actually pull a lot of stress out. Next thing is breathing exercises. Now, have you ever noticed when people are stressed, they're breathing like this? The exhalation is very short versus the inhalation. So you can literally flip it and slow down your breathing. And I'm talking 5 seconds. You can just count to 5 very, very slowly, like breathe in, counting to 5, and then breathe out, counting to 5. The key is the exhalation, slowing down your exhalation. That basically indirectly causes your nervous system, adrenals, to chill out, okay? And especially if you're trying to go to bed, you can focus on your breathing. But if you notice, and you catch yourself in a state of stress, you'll notice like the breathing is just really, almost like you're holding your breath, okay? Very cool thing to do. Next thing is ketosis. Ketosis is a state of fat burning, and it's a low stress activity for the brain and the cells. It's a more efficient fuel source for the metabolism. And I like to combine this with intermittent fasting because this takes the stress way down. You actually no longer run your body on blood sugar, so you don't have the ups and downs. And you can imagine how much stress comes with either high sugar or low sugar. So if we could run your body on fat fuel, it's much better for the brain. It's much better for your energy and your nervous system. So that's another way to lower stress. Because if you're like a diabetic and you're running on sugar, your body's going to be stressed out. Okay, so those are the 8 ways. Go ahead and apply these. And thanks for watching.